We're at 8848 South 84th Avenue, Hickory Hills. Doing an attempt to repair using the roofing snake recommended by insurance. I'm going to attempt to remove this shingle, but in order to remove this shingle, I have to remove the two above it. I'll try to be as gentle as possible. We'll now start on the first shingle. See a lot of granular loss right here. See there. Another point. Trying to be as gentle as possible. We'll now start the second shingle. Another point. So here. I'll start on the third shingle. See. Here. So out of these three shingles, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points. Do more damage than good. This temp repair has failed.